Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on ZTE Blade V40s. And to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store. Here we want to find the Google Classroom as an app. Now let's select it, download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to run this app. Click on Get Started, choose your account or add another one. Hit that plus button, then join the class, and now enter the class code, which you should be provided with. After doing so, select Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.